Parang ayoko sa moderate kasi para bang masyadong matatakutin yun eh. Lalo na,
I will only find out when you answer the risk profile questionnaire.
okay. So, kailangan dumaan muna sa ganyan. No? May
Yes,
proseso
dadaan
pala
ka doon
talaga.
para alam mo.
Mm,
Malalaman namin if you're conservative, moderate ka ba,
mm.
risk
Or
ano ka
aggressive.
ba, or
Mm,
aggressive ka, ganon. So, I'll
mm,
tell you the
mm.
difference between the two kasi kino-compare nila. Pero
Okay?
dapat na hindi eh. It just happened na one basket of mutual funds can be compared to MP2.
Mm,
So, yung key difference nila is MP2 is a low risk. Government
mm,
backup investment siya, while mutual funds carry varying degrees of risk depending on the types of fund. That is yung minention ko kaninang equity fund or bond fund. Yan.
mm,
So, ang return potential naman ng MP2 offers fixed returns that are
mm,
generally lower
mm.
than the potential returns of high-risk mutual funds but are more stable.